Hi everyone, and welcome to another TruProxy video. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about the warehouses within the TruProxy live cost estimator. So here within Databricks we wanted to make sure that we know at the moment when we are using different services within Databricks how much they are actually costing. Now we didn't want to wait for the delayed information from the systems table or from the billing data from Azure, so we wanted to make sure that we have a live cost proxy so that we know what things are costing at the moment that we are using them. Now in this video we'll have a look at warehouses. So when we look at the different warehouses that we currently have within Databricks, let's turn some of these on so they start incurring costs. We will see immediately some live feedback within the application. So I've turned on this warehouse. You can see that the total cost is jumping upwards, and it's the total cost for SQL warehouses as well. So when we take a look at the warehouse tab, we can see the following items here. First of all, again, the total warehouse cost and the individual cost per warehouse. Now one of the trees is currently up and running. It's costing us a certain dollar amount per hour. So what happens when we turn on now these other warehouses? Well, the TruProxy warehouse is now turning on. This one is also jumping upwards and it's adding to the total cost. So we get immediate live feedback when these things are actually incurring costs here within Databricks. Now these warehouses are all from the same size. So what happens if we create a new warehouse that is a little bit larger? So let's do an extra small one so we don't incur too many costs here within Databricks. And it will make it a serverless one, will not let it scale for the moment for the purpose of this demo. So I'll give it a name, we'll call it TruProxy. There we go, we create it. I'll of course need to make sure I am the right owner. It starts to turn on. And you can see that it will start to appear here within the TruProxy immediately as well. So there we go, TruProxy warehouse is currently up and running. It's a little bit more expensive than the other ones, so let's have a look at what that actually looks like here on the graph. It's double the size, so it's also double the cost per hour, and then the total of course climbs immediately. So let's make sure that we stop this warehouse in time while we're not using it. Let's not incur too many costs, so I'll stop it here. And we'll see that it immediately drops down again, so we know, okay, I am not incurring unnecessary costs. So let's turn on the other ones as well, because we don't want to cost too much money. And there we go, the costs will now drop down back to 0, so we know at the moment I am very aware that my costs are not going up dramatically. So that is how it works here within the Databricks TruProxy live cost estimator, and we will continue to share the journey of the development process here on YouTube, and we will make sure that you are aware of what can be built here within Databricks. Let us know what other services you want to see next, or what other features you would like to see included within TruProxy, and we look forward for the next video.